Hey, what's up guys, how you doing today? Yeah, in this video I'm gonna share with you top 7 tools for blog writers. We all know that so at some point you find it difficult to come up with an idea or how to write a content for your blog. So definitely in this video you don't need to bother yourself, while I will be guiding you the best 7 tools you need to get to come up with your blog post. So the first tools I'll be sharing with you is Grammarly. Grammarly is the best spelling checker, and also it's help you to optimize your text to make it readable. So this is websites for Grammarly, and so you can see here you can create an account, and they also have a plugin that you can install on your Chrome browser, so that anything that you are doing you'll be able to read and then optimize or change a word that are not correct. So the second one is Bozumo. This Bozumo is also a factory of ideas to help you struggle for content topics. Sorry. You can see here, this is the website. You can type in any keywords here, so definitely they will find the content for you. So I'm not sure if they have a plugin, but of course this is their website, and you can even have 30 days free trial that you can make use of this website. So the third one is Keyword Tools. This Keyword Tool is the best alternative to Google Keyword Planner and other keyword research tools. Keyword Tools. Yeah, website. So here you can see here we also have a plan for YouTube, Bing, Amazon, eBay, Play Store, Instagram, and Twitter. So definitely you can just create an account here, then log in and input any keywords you want or you are looking for. So the fourth one is Ahref. This Ahref is most popular article on any topic for search, organic traffic, and social media share, domain rating, and traffic value. So I'll move on to the website, and I'm not sure if this website offer a free service, but of course it's kind of like high value website which most big blogs are definitely using. So this is the demo here.
Site Audit automatically checks and monitors your website for technical SEO issues and is one of Ahrefs' 5 core tools. When you start your call,
that is the demo how the website is working.
SEO issues. One of the awesome features of our crawler is that it doesn't use your computer's resources.
Explorer, Content Explorer, and Rank Tracker. So those are the features on how the site works and what it all entails. So the fifth one I'll share with you is SEMrush. This SEMrush is the right keyword for SEO and PPC campaign. Gather phrase match and related keywords to get a long tail keywords. So this is the official website. Also, this website also gives a 7 days trial for their full tools, and after the 7 days, definitely they are going to pay for their service. So these are the partners, which is eBay, Flip, Booking, HP, Quora, and others. So those are the people that are currently patronizing them, and the keywords that they have searched so far, then domain and backlinks they have created for blogs and other stuffs. So the sixth one I'll be sharing with you is QTest. This QTest is one of the best plagiarism detection software and citation assistant that combine deep research technology with clear feedback to detect duplicate content and prevent plagiarism. So I would like to check on the website You can see here. So you can just sign up and create an account. Then they also have a plugin you can install. Yeah, I think they have a plugin that you can install. So just copy your content and paste it here to check the plagiarism and fix out any plagiarism that you just detect from your content. So the seventh one I will be sharing with you is Google Docs. This Google Doc is to content marketing what a kitchen is to chef. It's where all the works gets done. So this is I think I have made use of it a long while ago. So yeah, I think it's Google Doc. So if you are a business owner or you are making use of it for personal use, so definitely just click on one of them, then you proceed from there. I think the last time I made use of it, I make use of the personal one, and I have some contents that I have drafted to this Google Doc. Yeah, I think I've made use of it. So that video helps you. Thank you.